Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to look at a couple of attributes for a Numpy array. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We take what we know and we continue to build on it. So alright, oops, I did dir, I need help. I need help with lots of stuff. Alright, so this is a way that we can begin to see some of the attributes. You run help on your object, and depending on the documentation, it usually always tells you. Numpy has some very good documentation. So here's a list of some of the attributes. So that's going to be my favoriteest one. So alright, but we are going to look at and this is important to know. One, to know where to look for it, but if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we have one thing coming after another. So alright, here's something, of course, pretty simple to understand. The size of the array is 12, so that's kind of... Now also you can find out the amount of bytes that it is taking up in memory, and just in case it's a very large array and you need to know the dimensions, you got Ndim, and it's just a two-dimensional array. But now here's my favorite. We already know about transpose, but this has an attribute that will do it for you. Sorry, let's pull this up. So there it is right there. So we did bytes, size, dimensions, and then here it is as an attribute. Just capital T, and it transposes it for you. So I don't know why I like that the most, but I think that's my all-time favorite. But there you go. Just some attributes of a Numpy array. Just something real quick today I wanted to cover. Hadn't done these yet. There are a couple more, but we'll just keep moving through them. These are the most pertinent right now. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.